Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr, and today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of how to lace the Nike Air Max 95. I've got the ultramarine pair here, super clean colourway. This is just so fun. These are the same shoes that you've seen me wearing in my intro. They're just such a clean colourway. I haven't worn them that much just because like the top material is leather. I'm not really trying to like crease them and make them look ugly. In today's video I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can lace your Nike Air Max 95. Just 3 different ways that you can like lace, so maybe switch up your style or whatever. That's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Before I get into the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure I hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on the voice, get notifications when I upload, so you know you can be notified whenever I upload, which is pretty regularly. I'm going to try and post every single day this week. So today's Monday, so I'm going to try and post Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. See if I can do that, you know, try and bring the daily uploads for you guys, and try to put more content out really. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell, get notifications when I upload. If you do find this video helpful, if you do find it entertaining too, also leave a thumbs up. Without further ado, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can lace your Nike Air Max 95s. Let's go! So getting into it, I've got them on my feet now just because I think it's much easier for me to show you how to lace them up whilst on your feet, because like you can see from above how to do it. So I've got them on my feet now, and the first thing I'm going to do is, before we get into the first way, is I'm going to unlace both of the shoes and then we can get into it. So now that I've got both of the laces out and they're completely unlaced, just going to get into the first way. And the first way we're going to do is going to lace them up, but at the ends keep them loose, but knot them so that the laces don't fall down. I'm just going to get into doing the first way right now, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is start off with this shoe and just taking the lace, threading it through that bottom hole like so, pulling through and then taking the top of the laces, so these bits here, keeping them the same length, and then just pulling up, just making sure that they're the same length on each side. So as you can see, same length now, and just going to take this side and put it up through the inside of the shoe, as you can see, like so. And then take this side and put it up through this side, the outside of the shoe. And then just once again making sure that they're the same length on either side before we get into lacing them up all the way. So now that we've done that, just going to take the inside lace, and you have this bottom hole right here. So we're going to take the lace, thread it underneath that hole, as you can see, and then pull through, and then put that up through the second outside bit here. So it just goes through just like that, and then taking the outside lace and putting that underneath as well, and then pulling through like so, and then putting that through the inside just like that. So taking the inside lace once again, and you have this second hole here now, and putting that underneath the hole, so straight through, and then through the outside just like so, and then the outside lace, putting it through that hole, and then through the inside, and then the inside through the third hole now, and then through the outside, and then the outside lace through the same hole, and then to the inside. So as you can see, we've done all of these bits here now. So just taking the inside lace, putting that through the outside, and then the outside lace, and putting that through the inside. And now we're going to get to the last hole now. So for this part, it's just taking the inside lace, putting that upwards, then taking the outside lace, putting that through the inside. So what we're going to do is just loosen them off a little bit all the way down, leaving a lot less lace at the top. So as you can see, they look just like that now. So then what we're going to do is going to take the lace just like here, and make a very small knot at the very end. So as you can see, just like that. And then now there's no way for that lace to fall out. It's just going to sit there and the laces look super loose. So if I just do the other side too. So just taking the lace, tying a knot, trying to keep it even on both sides. And then just like that. So as you can see, the laces are loose. It makes them easier to get on. They can't just hang there, and there's no way now that the laces are going to fall out. They'll just sit there and just not move. So as you can see, this is the first way. I'm going to show you the same way on this shoe, and then I'll get into doing on feet, and then we can get into doing the second way of how to lace up your Air Max 95. So I'm just going to do this shoe now as well. Just like that. So you can see, super loose. That was the first way of how to lace your Air Max 95s. Now I'm going to get into showing you what this looks like on feet. Let's get into it. So getting into doing the second way now, we're going to do the fresh out of the box factory lace look. So I was going to pull them slightly tighter, not too tight, but just so there's more lace to work with at the top. Taking the laces here, then you put your finger down like so, and then just grip it like that. Then tuck the laces round, and then thread them through the hole, and then pull up like that. So that's the factory lace look, and it just looks just like that. If I show you on the other shoe as well. So pulling them not too tight, but just so there's enough lace at the top. Pinching the laces like so. Just like that. So that's the factory lace look, and now I'm going to show you what these look like on feet as well. So for the third and final way, just going to keep it super simple, unlace them from the top of the shoe, and then just lace them up really. Just like that, that's about it. If I just do the other one as well, so just unlace them from the top. And tie a bow. And that's just the third way. And yeah, that was just three different ways you can use to lace your Air Max 95s. And I'm going to show you what these look like on feet as well. So that was just three different ways that you can lace your Nike Air Max 95s. These are just three styles that I usually do. I just figured, you know, it could be helpful if you want to like lace up your Air Max any other different ways. Like I said before, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Also turn on the bell to get notifications when I upload, because I am going to be bringing a lot more uploads out now. So you know, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell. Also, if you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up too. Also, make sure you go follow my Instagram. It's at Alxr, so SAMALXR. Put it right across the screen right there. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike.